What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. So, you want to be rich, right? I mean, who doesn't? Today, we're diving into 15 game-changing technologies that can make you rich. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First up, we've got AI. And no, I'm not talking about some sci-fi movie where robots take over the world. We're talking about real, tangible applications of AI that are already changing the game. AI is powering everything from streaming recommendations to self-driving cars, and even those super realistic deepfakes you've seen online. It's a tool, and it's all about how you use it. For entrepreneurs, AI represents a massive opportunity to automate tasks, analyze data with precision, and create innovative products and services. As AI evolves, we'll see even more mind-blowing applications emerge, creating a goldmine of opportunities. So, start exploring how you can incorporate AI into your journey. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, we're diving into the world of Web3 and cryptocurrencies. Crypto is so volatile. Is it really a path to riches? And you know what? You're not wrong. Web3 represents a shift in how we think about ownership, value, and the internet. What if we could cut out the middleman? That's the promise of Web3. With blockchain, we can create decentralized systems with more control and transparency. Alright, let's talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. Now this one might seem a little less flashy than AI or crypto, but trust me, it's got just as much potential to change the game. We're talking about a world where everything is connected to the internet, from your refrigerator to your car to your toothbrush. The beauty of IoT is that it allows for seamless communication between devices, creating a network of data that can be used to optimize, automate, and personalize our lives in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. For entrepreneurs, the IoT represents a goldmine of opportunity. The possibilities are literally endless. Advanced robotics automating your way to the top. We're entering the realm of advanced robotics. The reality is far more nuanced and exciting. Robots can perform surgery with incredible precision, automate tasks in warehouses and factories, and provide companionship to the elderly. As technology advances, robots will handle increasingly complex tasks. 3D printing your way to success, literally. Let's talk about 3D printing, a technology that's been making waves for a while now, and for good reason. This isn't just about printing plastic trinkets anymore. We're talking about printing fully functional prototypes, customized medical devices, and even houses. The beauty of 3D printing lies in its ability to create complex objects layer by layer directly from a digital design. For entrepreneurs, 3D printing represents a game changer. As 3D printing technology continues to evolve, we're going to see even more incredible applications emerge. Advanced connectivity. The speed of the future, the speed of wealth. Hold on tight because we're about to enter the fast lane with advanced connectivity. I'm talking about 5G, 6G, and beyond. This isn't just about faster download speeds, although that's definitely a perk. We're talking about a world where billions of devices can connect and communicate with each other seamlessly in real time. For entrepreneurs, advanced connectivity opens up a world of possibilities. Next up, we're diving into the world of cloud and edge computing, the dynamic duo powering our digital lives. With cloud computing, we can store and access vast amounts of data from anywhere with an internet connection. But with edge computing, we're bringing the processing power closer to the source of the data, reducing latency and enabling real-time decision-making. This combination of cloud and edge computing is a game changer for entrepreneurs. Cloud providers offer a wide range of services that can be tailored to your specific needs. Step into the future with virtual and augmented reality, or VR and AR. VR headsets aren't just for gaming. The potential of VR and AR extends far beyond entertainment. Immersive training for surgeons, virtual real estate tours, and AR shopping experiences. Entrepreneurs can create engaging, interactive experiences. As technology evolves, expect more mind-blowing applications. Let's talk about quantum technology, a field that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction, but it's very real and has the potential to revolutionize everything. Quantum technology uses quantum mechanics to solve problems impossible for classical computers. Quantum computers can crack encryption codes, detect diseases at the molecular level, and create virtually unhackable communication networks. Stay informed and think about how quantum technology might disrupt your industry. Let's talk about the sharing economy, a trend disrupting traditional industries and creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs. Platforms like Airbnb, Uber, and TaskRabbit connect people who have something to offer with those who need it. The beauty of the sharing economy lies in unlocking the value of underutilized assets. For entrepreneurs, it presents a massive opportunity to build platforms that connect people. Let's face it, the way we produce food needs an upgrade. The good news is, computerized agriculture, or ag tech as it's often called, is here to save the day. We're talking about using technology to make farming more efficient, sustainable, and productive. Think about it. Sensors in the soil that monitor moisture levels, drones that survey crops for signs of disease, and even robots that can pick fruits and vegetables with superhuman speed and precision. For entrepreneurs, ag tech represents a massive opportunity to revolutionize one of the world's oldest and most important industries. As the global population continues to grow and the demand for food increases, the need for innovative ag tech solutions will only become more urgent. Get ready to shrink down to the nanoscale because we're about to explore the world of nanotechnology, a field that's all about manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. We're talking about nanomaterials that are stronger than steel but lighter than feathers, nanosensors that can detect even the smallest traces of pollutants in the environment, and even nanobots that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy. For entrepreneurs, nanotechnology represents a vast and largely untapped frontier of opportunity. Think about developing new materials with enhanced properties, creating nanosensors for medical diagnostics or environmental monitoring, or even exploring the potential of nanobots for targeted drug delivery or even tissue regeneration. The possibilities are endless. New materials. Building the future, one atom at a time. Let's talk about new materials, the building blocks of the future. We're talking about materials with entirely new properties and capabilities. Materials that can change color on demand, repair themselves, or even conduct electricity with zero resistance. Think about graphene, a one-atom-thick sheet of carbon that's stronger than steel, more conductive than copper, and incredibly flexible. For entrepreneurs, the field of new materials represents a gold mine of opportunity. As our understanding of material science continues to advance, we're likely to see even more incredible new materials emerge. Biotechnology hacking the code of life, cashing in on the cure. Get ready to enter the fascinating world of biotechnology, where we're not just treating diseases, we're rewriting the code of life itself. We're talking about gene editing tools like CRISPR, which allow scientists to make precise changes to DNA, potentially curing genetic diseases at their root. We're talking about lab-grown organs, which could revolutionize transplantation and eliminate the need for organ donors. For entrepreneurs, biotechnology represents a massive opportunity to make a real difference in the world, while also generating significant profits. The field of biotechnology is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and breakthroughs happening all the time. Neurotechnology, tapping into the mind, unlocking a fortune. Last but not least, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of neurotechnology, where the lines between science fiction and reality become incredibly blurry. We're talking about brain-computer interfaces like Elon Musk's Neuralink, which could allow us to control computers with our thoughts, restore movement to paralyzed limbs, and even enhance our cognitive abilities. We're talking about neuroprosthetics, which can replace lost or damaged limbs and restore sensory feedback. For entrepreneurs, neurotechnology represents a frontier of opportunity that's both exhilarating and daunting. Think about developing new brain-computer interfaces for gaming or assistive technology, creating neuroprosthetics that restore movement and sensation, or even pioneering new treatments for neurological disorders. So there you have it, 15 disruptive technologies that have the potential to not just change the world but to make you rich in the process. Now, I know that was a lot to take in, but the key takeaway here is that the future is full of opportunity for those who are willing to embrace innovation and think outside the box. Remember, you don't need to be a tech genius or a billionaire investor to capitalize on these trends. What matters most is your willingness to learn, adapt, and take action. So, do your research, stay informed, and never be afraid to dream big. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.